Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell so you be notified every time that I upload. So I'm back with another unboxing try-on haul, this time for Fashion Nova. Like I said, these are items that I picked up for my vacation, so it's just kind of things that I chose to pick up, not just sporadically picking up. So I have a warm-up jumpsuit type thing. I have my birthday swimsuits, my birthday dress. I still haven't seen it yet, so I'm super excited to do this video for you guys. If you guys are enjoying unboxing hauls as much as I enjoy making them for you guys, make sure to let me know down below. Also put any links, ideas, brands, anything you want me to do as far as an unboxing clothing haul goes for scrubs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. So the very first thing that I picked up is a swimsuit. So this right here is supposed to be a birthday suit. It is in all black with white birthday suit, and it is just really cute one piece with like a plunging back. So we're gonna see how that looks. I love Fashion Nova. It's a store that I recently started shopping at maybe like 6 months ago or so. I bought a pair of jeans on there because everyone was telling me how amazing the jeans are. I saw so many YouTube videos about how amazing Fashion Nova jeans were, so I purchased some. They were like $14, between $14 and $20. I think they were on sale. Loved them. Bought more jeans, bought shorts, bought everything there, and then I just love the store. So I decided to shop there for my birthday because usually when I buy things there, they fit good. For the most part, they're good material. I've had one bodysuit break on me, but other than that, they're pretty good material. So we're gonna see what this looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I'm rocking the birthday suit, but it is not leaving my house. It is doing the utmost. It is way too revealing for me. I mean, the side boob is all the way down to my waist. The hip piece is all the way up to my waist. There is a lot being exposed here, both of my sides, all of this, all the way out, all of my butt, like everything is just hanging out right now. And then the back is plunging. I don't mind the plunging back, no problem. It's the fact that the side boob is just pretty much half of my chest is hanging out the sides, and then it goes all the way down to my waist, and then the part where like your legs are at, the waist, it's like the openings go all the way up to my waist. So pretty much the whole sides of my body are completely exposed. So this is a no-go for me. Not comfortable, not wearing it, nope. And yeah. So the next thing that I purchased that I was super excited about is this matching jogger set. So it's like a hoodie and joggers, and I wanted to wear this on the highway. I thought it'd be really comfortable. So far I love the material. It's like a spandexy material, definitely very stretched, a lot of give to it. And I do like the color. It looks more black online and it looks more kind of like gray in person, and it's got like an off-white drawstring. So we'll see how this one looks. So this is the jumpsuit. I love it. I love the material. I feel like the colors look a little bit different to me, but it could be because I'm around all these lights and now my eyes are just playing tricks with me. But it's a nice kind of black and gray type of material. Yeah, like a black and gray material with off-white tassels or whatever. It fits awesome. I love the material. It is warm, but it's still a little bit breathable, so it's definitely, you could wear it on a cool night, not like a freezing cold night. I love the way that it fits as far as like, it's loose. It's nice and loose. It's form-fitting where it needs to be and loose where it needs to be. Makes your bum look kind of nice in the back, and it's just really cute. Like, I really think it's going to be awesome for the trip. Definitely very, very comfortable for a long ride in the car. Kind of feels like pajama lounge wear, but it's just really nice. Like, I really like it. This is definitely a very short unboxing try-on haul, but I wanted to separate it just because a lot of people like to search for just Fashion Nova. But I have 2 items left. This is the first one, and it's just a pair of black leggings, all the way down black. They do have the elastic band that I absolutely hate on leggings, so I hope they fit better than what most elastic bands look like. But I was just looking for a pair of black leggings. I told you guys in my previous video that my favorite pair of black leggings broke, and then my other favorite pair of plain black leggings with no designs broke too, so it was definitely time to buy some more black leggings. So let's see if I like these. But so far they have a lot of give to them, and they have a lot of forgiveness. It seems very, very thick, and I'm not quite sure if it's squat test thick like a sports one, but it feels really, really good. So let's go see. Okay, so these are the black leggings. I actually love them. The band is really nice. It's not a tummy controlled band, but it is a nice seamless filling band. Even though it wasn't the seamless look I was looking for, it stretched out as if it was a seamless band. So I really love that. It's the same material as the ones that I got from Honey Bum, so I love that loungewear material. Makes the bum look pretty nice, and I just like them. I think they do exactly what they're supposed to do, just be a pair of loungewear black leggings. So here is the last thing. This right here is going to be my birthday dress if everything works out. It took me weeks upon weeks to find a birthday dress that I wanted to wear because I just wanted to make sure that I felt comfortable in it, and that it was perfect for the hot weather and just everything like that. So it's definitely a bodycon dress. I'm not feeling the material so far. I feel like it could feel a little bit more expensive, but it feels almost like a thick leggings type material, so I'm not quite sure how that's gonna go. It is Do It On The Daily, I think, black choker. It's like this, so it's like a tube top black dress, and it's kind of it's supposed to be a midi, so it's not supposed to be like a mini, and it's seeming a little bit mini right now. And then it's got a choker that goes over the neck, so it's like a choker tube top, and it's supposed to be really, really cute. So we're gonna see if I like it. So far I feel like it might be a little bit rather too tight or make me feel a little uncomfortable. I'm not quite sure, but we're about to find out. Super excited. Okay, so this is going to be my birthday dress. So I actually really like it. There's a lot of things that I'm gonna have to change about it. First of all, I'm wearing like a bandeau top. I'm gonna wear like a strapless actual bra, but just a strapless one to make this look a lot better. I'm probably gonna have some different shapewear to kind of tighten some stuff up in here. But overall, I think it's really cute. I love the choker look of it, and the back goes all the way up, but it just looks like a choker on the other side. And I think it's really cute. I like the fact that it's long enough and I'm gonna feel comfortable in it. I'm gonna feel really comfortable eating in it and everything like that. I just gotta, you know, make sure everything is put where it's supposed to be. And of course I'll have makeup and probably wear my hair different, and yeah, but overall I think it is really cute. I'm actually excited that I picked this one. There's a lot of different choices out there. I wanted to make sure that I was gonna pick something that I would feel comfortable wearing all night, and I think that this is a good pick. So I like it. Do you guys like my birthday dress? It'll be very cute once I Instagram it and all that good stuff. So it is a wrap. That is everything that I have for this unboxing try on haul. I know it wasn't a lot. These are just some items that I picked up to go on my vacation, not like a collective haul or anything like that. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, let me know down below. Also put your links, put your everything that you want me to know about an unboxing try on haul for scrubs. Put it all down below so I can go ahead and get started, and that will be my next unboxing try on haul. So if you guys did enjoy this as much as I enjoyed making it, let me know down below. Like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.